Where's my toothbrush, man? Damn it.
Down, that's the dead plastic there. I wouldn't say that's a perfect.
What I believe is, if you are planning to kiss your headlight someday and expect a mint flavor out of it. Hello, welcome back to my channel V Details. Hope you guys are doing well. Myself Vikash, and this channel is all about auto detailing. And today I have your headlights to be restored. So, with not wasting any more time, let's begin restoring process. And I have a Colgate with me here. So, and just a minute now. Where's my toothbrush, man? Damn it. Okay, I don't find my toothbrush. Well, it's just 6 in the morning. I think I can brush my teeth later. And if you thought I was gonna do headlight restoration with this Colgate, well, that's just one of the 147 other ways to do it. But I'm gonna take you through the process that's most effective and most efficient. At least that's what professionals do.
Here are the headlights. So as you can see, this one and the other headlight, they both are pretty dull, and there's dead plastic on top of that, which we're going to remove and restore the headlights pretty soon. So I just want to tell you that these are the aftermarket installed fog lamps, extra lamps, and they were installed in the first place because the gentleman couldn't drive his cars with safety because of the dead headlights. So it's not safe to drive your car with faded headlights. So I suggest my viewers to restore your headlights if they're in this condition. Two sanding discs, one 1500, another 3000 grit. Classic cut from Shine Supply. That's what I'm going to use to compound the headlights after sanding. Then for finishing, I'm going to use classic polish from Shine Supply. And then finally for protection, I'm going to use turtle wax spray on ceramic coating. That's going to give protection against the UV as well as all the chemicals, and that's going to last up to 12 months. So to begin with, I clean the surface with all-purpose cleaner. Let it dwell for a few seconds. Wiping it off with a microfiber cloth. As you guys can see, it's so much faded and it has a lot of scratches on the surface. Next I proceed with masking off the edges because as I told you guys, I'm going to do this wet sanding process. So here I have my robust range polisher with 1500 sand disc on top of that, and I'm going to start wet sanding the surface to remove all the dead plastic that's on there. Some water. I just want to show you guys that, can you see the yellow water dripping down? That's the dead plastic there. So all this yellow water dripping down is the dead plastic that has been removed through the sanding process, and I'm going to continue. Can you see guys, instant difference? Well, I just sanded it with 1500 grit. Now I'm going to proceed with 3000 grit. Same process, some water and machine. So as you can see, all the dead plastic is removed. It's dull now because I've just sanded it, and I'm going to compound this surface now. Blue coat pad, classic cut, and a new microfiber for the job. Few drops. Before that, I need to shake the product well, and I took 4 pea-sized drop. I hope you guys can see the difference. It's clean, and the chrome inside is going to reflect now. It's going to reflect the light now, and it's going to be much safer to drive with these headlights. Now that I have compounded, I'm going to use my yellow foam pad to polish the surface, and I'm going to use classic polish from Shine Supply. It's better now, a lot better than before. Now if you see, can you spot the rainbow effect inside the headlight? Well, that's because the chrome inside the headlight is wearing down. And anyways, this headlights are stock, and they are not replaced since the car was bought, and this car was manufactured in 2006, so almost 15 years, and it has clocked about 1.5 lakh kilometers on the odometer, so a little bit wearing down of the chrome inside the plastic headlight is expected. So I think it looks better than before, and it's time to protect that with applying some sort of protection over it. And as I told you guys that I'm going to use turtle wax spray on ceramic coating, so that's going to be protected for at least 12 months, and I think the gentleman can rely on this for a couple of years. So before proceeding to the next protection step, I thought I would just compare the two headlights and show you guys the difference between before and after. So that headlight we just worked on, and this one's not yet corrected or restored, so that's the difference. It looks so much better than this one, but I wouldn't say that's a perfect, and since this vehicle is pretty old and the chrome inside is weighed down, so that's the best finish we can. Well, anyway, that's a lot more safer and a lot better than it used to be, as well as this process is a lot more cost effective than the idea of replacing the whole headlights, because that's obviously going to cost you more. As I said, I'm going to protect that with turtle wax spray on ceramic coating, a few sprays on my microfiber applicator, and then I'm going to apply. Nice and smooth. So this one's a different microfiber. As you guys can see, I'm not using the same cloth for every process, because I don't want the contaminants to get transferred and like spoil the process. Now that the job is done, I have pulled out all the tapes, and it's good to go. The protection is going to last for at least a year, and I think this headlights can be relied on for a couple of years to come. So I'm going to do the same process on the other headlight too, and thanks for watching.
Hey, wait, I just want to clear on one thing. When I earlier said that I'm not going to use Colgate for headlight restoration, I didn't by any chance mean to defame the Colgate process, because what I believe is, if you are planning to kiss your headlight someday and expect a mint flavor out of it, definitely you can go with the Colgate, or you can use Sensodyne if your headlights got some serious sensitivity issues and you want to make sure that your headlights are free of any dental problems. Go with the Colgate process. And if you really want your headlights to be corrected and protected in the most efficient and effective way, find the nearest professional to you. So thanks for watching, and you can support me by subscribing to my channel, and there are a lot more coming up on my future episodes of Finance and Preserve. Stay tuned. Bye bye.